You open the fridge to get the strawberries you just bought a few days ago, and they're already going bad. They are mushy, smelly, shriveled, or at worst, even moldy. We have all experienced this feeling with strawberries. Even after washing and storing them correctly, they just go bad, which I then came across this 2025 article in an academic journal titled Food Chemistry. In Brazil, a team of scientists conducted a study on how to extend the shelf life of strawberries by making a chitosan gelatin coating with pomegranate peel extract to encase the strawberries, to be compared to the regular storage of uncoated strawberries over 12 days in a fridge, to see the difference in preserving the bioactive or nutritional benefits and physical characteristics of the strawberries. First, they needed to create the coatings. The chitosan, which is just a complex sugar, in this case came from a squid, and the pomegranate peel extract combined with gelatin. Strawberries were then purchased at a local market, selecting those of similar characteristics like size and color, were then divided into three treatment groups: one uncoated control, one with the chitosan gelatin CG film, and one with the chitosan gelatin and pomegranate peel extract. The strawberries were then immersed into the coating for 2 minutes. After drying, they were placed in boxes and stored at 7 degrees Celsius. Measurements of the fruit quality attributes were taken during the fruit storage, which include weight loss, which would signal decay or usually water loss. Outside color based on an equation that combined hue, luminosity, and chromaticity. Each day, 5 strawberries were taken to be further analyzed by mashing them into a pulp to get the pH of the strawberry and the total phenolinic content, which is basically the antioxidant content of the strawberries. Then, strawberries were taken for microbiological tests for fungal growth. Sensorial analysis was done by 19 trained evaluators, and the financial cost of these coatings was analyzed. Let's get into the results. Both coatings prevented fungal growth at a similar rate up to day 6, but after 12 days, the pomegranate coated fruits did 20% better than the CG coated ones and 30% better than the control. For both fungal types, you can see that the control group became red the fastest, showing the highest percentage of strawberries at a level 5 severity, while the pomegranate coatings still have some level 3 severity all the way up to day 12. Additionally, the coatings have lower percentages of weight loss compared to the uncoated strawberries, which preserved the firmness of the uncoated strawberries as seen in the firmness values for the coating strawberries being consistent over the 12 days, but not for the control. When seeing a strawberry, everyone looks for the bright red ones. The color analysis concluded that the presence of the coatings did not affect the visual appearance of strawberries and that they were able to delay color loss. But more importantly, the pomegranate coated fruits were the only ones with significant increase in total phenolinic content, which is effective in preserving the nutritional benefits of strawberries. Anthocyanins actually increased for the pomegranate coated strawberries over time, whereas the other two groups did not. Vitamin C also followed the same pattern. To further prove that there would be no difference to the consumer if the strawberries were coated, the sensorial analysis conducted by the evaluators concluded that there was no difference between the coated and uncoated strawberries for appearance, odor, taste, and flavor. The study concluded that it would cost 3 cents per fruit to be coated, not including the labor costs. But let's look into the bigger picture of the study and why you should care. The study concluded that the pomegranate coated strawberries can increase storage time by 6 to 8 days. Personally, I would love if my strawberries actually lasted long enough for me to enjoy them. Additionally, food that takes lots of resources should be nutritious and beneficial to people's everyday diets, especially as fresh produce becomes more expensive. The pomegranate coatings help ensure people get the most nutritional benefit out of the strawberries. Moreover, these coatings were made from discarded food waste, from squid and pomegranate peels that would otherwise be thrown away, diverting these products from landfills and help reduce greenhouse gases. This research allows an avenue for people to enjoy strawberries while being more sustainable ways to package produce.